So today I will explain functions in JavaScript. So what are the functions? So functions are basically used to perform the operations. In JavaScript. So with the help of JavaScript functions, we can use the function to reuse the code. We can use the function many times to reuse the code. And what are the advantages? Advantages are code reusability. Once we have written a function, we can reuse the code as many times as we want, and less coding. And another advantage is less coding, because once we have written a function, we don't need to write many lines of code each time to perform a common task. We don't need to write the code again and again and again. So it's very simple. If we create a function, we can call the functions many times. So in this tutorial I will discuss how you can use a function and what is the syntax of using a function. So syntax, first of all we will discuss a syntax. So syntax is very simple. For that, so let me first write in the comment syntax is function, then function name, and then here I will pass the arguments. So parameter 1, parameter 2, and so on. So these are the optionals. So I will explain the functions with an example. So let's create a function. So function name is, let's say, divide. Okay, so function, then function name is divide, and a divide function let's say has two arguments. So number 1, number 2, and here I am printing console.log n1 by n2. So this is the function definition. Function name, and function is taking two values, and I am dividing and I am printing on the console. Now I will call this function. So how to call the function name, and you can see the function is expecting two values. So let's give the values to this function. Okay, and now save this, open with live server. So let me explain the code. Function name is divide, and it is taking two arguments, n1 comma n2, and in the console I am printing n1 by n2. So very simple. So go to the console, and you can see the output 4. You can see the output 4 because I am passing 8 and 2 values. So let me pass the values 28, 2, and save it. And now if I refresh it, you can see the output 14. So it's very simple. So function name, and here instead of printing the values, what I can do, I can also return the value. So return n1 by n2, and here I will store the result. Now this time the function divide is returning the value n1 by n2. I am passing n1 28, n2 2. So n1 comma n2 I am passing, and function is returning the value, and I am storing the value in the result. And now what I will do, I will print this result on the console, save it, go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see the output 14. So let me change the parameters, save it, go to the console, and you can see the output 4. So this way you can use the functions very easily. Now let's create a input type button, and then I will call the function with the help of a button. So for that, what I am gonna do, I am going to create input button. So input type equals to button. I will close this tag. Okay, so here I am going to use the function on click. Let's say the function name is let's say print. For that I have to create a function print here. So function print I will create, and here I am using a inbuilt function alert, and here I will write any message. I will learn functions, and here, so go to the save it, go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see the function, you can see the button, and when I click on this you will see the message I will learn functions. So let me give some value to this button. Let's say name is click. So whenever I click on the button, you can see on click function a print function will be called. Whenever I click on the button, print function will be called, and inside the print function I am displaying the alert message that I will learn functions. So you can change the message. So let me write hello everyone, and now go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see the click button, and whenever I click on the button I am getting the message hello everyone. So similarly you can create another button, and let me change its name value. Another, and let me write a new line here, and whenever I click on the another button, let's say another function will be called. Let's say the function name is display. So I have to create another function display, and here I am writing function hi how are you, save it, go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see two buttons. One is click. Whenever I click on this button I am getting message hello everyone. Whenever I am clicking on the another button I am getting this message hi how are you. Our code is very simple. So whenever I am clicking on the click function I am calling the function print, and whenever I am clicking on the another function I am calling the function display. So it's very simple. So alert function is used for displaying the message to the user, and alert function is inbuilt function. So you must try this. So it's very easy to use the functions. So here I am explained the function which is taking two arguments and also returning the value. So this way you can try the function. So that's all for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.